Hello everyone, I'm KP Kwan from tasteasianfood.com. In this video, I want to show you how to prepare a dish with a unique name, ants climbing a tree. The name sounds interesting, right? The Chinese like to use descriptive names to term some of the dishes. Imagine the ants refer to the minced pork and the branches are the glass noodles. So the ants climbing up the tree through the leaves, which are the green vegetables. Whether you agree with the name or not, in this video I want to show you how am I going to prepare this wonderful Szechuan dish. Let's follow me. These are the glass noodles that are dry and brittle. Soak the glass noodles in hot water for 15 minutes to soften it. Loosen the glass noodles and drain. Coarsely mince the chili, the garlic, and the ginger. Cut the scallions into thin rings. Mince the pork and set aside. Stir-fry the minced pork in the pan to render the oil. Next, add the chili oil, once the pork becomes fragrant, add the garlic, ginger, and chili. Chili bean paste, add the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some sugar, some salt. And lastly, add some water or stock. Add the glass noodles and let it absorb the sauce. Stir fry and mix over medium and low heat for about half a minute. The glass noodles will soak up most of the liquid. Finally, add the scallions. Have a few quick stirs and dish out. That's how I prepare ants climbing a tree, and I hope you are able to visualize how it is. If you'd like to try this recipe, I have the recipe in the description right below the video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like. And I'll see you again in other similar videos in this channel in future. Bye for now.